So dear learners, in this video we will be discussing about the implementation issue. It's a continuation of our previous video. So there we started with the first issue, that is reuse of the software. So in this particular video we will be concentrating on the second issue, that is configuration management. Okay, this is also one type of issue under our implementation is concerned. Okay. So basically the configuration management means actually this is the general process of managing a changing software. Okay. Why? Because as all of us we know that our software will undergo change frequently. Okay. Even during the development time also, okay, we will go on changing our software because of many reasons there. Okay. But the only thing is, okay, how it will be come to know for the other developers that okay, how a component or within a component that particular coding might be get changed. Is it clear there? Okay, how that particular component is changing its versions. Okay, how that software is being get changed. So to keep track of that, this configuration management is very much essential there. Okay, and this configuration management, it is going to support the overall system integration especially. Okay, this is very much essential for system integration process. Why? Because we never used to develop a software as a single entity. Okay, normally our software will be get developed in terms of its independent component units, then it will be get integrated to make it subsystems, so like that. So ultimately the integration is a very important process that will be taken place to build our the final software is concerned. Okay, and while performing the system integration is concerned, okay, this configuration management will be very much helpful for especially for all the developers, because the developers can access about how this software has gone changed, what about its new version. Okay, which component with what version is to be get integrated. Okay, how the changes have been taken place, everything that can be known by what this configuration management is concerned. Okay. So under this particular configuration management, there are three different activities that we will be focusing. Okay. So the first one is the version management. Just now as we told that this version management is going to this particular support is going to be get provided to keep track of different versions of the software components. Why? Because there are so many different software components that we might be using during the design and development of our software is concerned. Okay. So every time these versions will be get changed, and we need to keep track of that what current version of that particular component has been used, okay, or which has been included in our system. Okay. So that is very much essential, and it will be very much helpful for all the programmers during what the development stage is concerned. That is what the version management. And second one is just now another point that we told, that is the system integration. Okay. And this support is going to be get provided to help the developers to define what versions of components are used to create each version of a system. Okay. So my every software version depends on, okay, some particular component of that particular software, and those components belongs to what version. Okay. So that we need to keep track. Okay. Then only it is possible to integrate all these different components with different versions in a proper way. Okay, so that we can build a system automatically, okay, by compiling and what linking the required components are concerned. This is what the system integration. Then last one is also very important, that is problem tracking. Okay, so here the support is provided especially for the end users, okay, to report about what the bugs and other problems. Is it clear? Okay. So that with this particular provision, the end users can report the different types of bugs that they might be coming across and any kind of problems, so that every developer will come to know that, okay, so this particular bug belongs to which component, or who is working on that particular problem. Okay, whether when they have fixed, okay, all these things can be get tracked by using this problem tracking support is concerned. Okay. So these are the different three activities that are part of our configuration management activities are concerned. Okay. And this configuration management is also a very important issue under what our implementation of any software is concerned. Okay.